know.
Are we leaking out secrets?
Oh shit!
Sabe, I haven't asked her. I've never asked her. Like, if she
Yeah.
We've asked her.
We asked her once, I remember.
¿Qué dijo? Ah,
I said,
ustedes.
no. She's like, no me acuerdo. I was like, this day, yo creo ni limpiaste.
You gotta delete that shit. I know, bro. Like World War III times. You weren't. So I will start.
Go ahead.
My name is Avi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and for my new subscribers, welcome as well. And for today's video, we're gonna be doing a mukbang with my cousins.
Her favorite cousin right now.
No, they're all my favorite cousins. I'm sorry. Okay, so do you guys want to introduce your guys' self? Or are y'all set?
Sure. So I'm Avi, the oldest one out of the whole crew here.
I'm Nat.
What's up?
Woohoo!
Triple OG Nat.
Yeah, you guys go ahead and follow all of them. They all have Instagrams.
Yeah, I got Twitter too. They know that.
Facebook.
And MySpace guy.
And my name is Anna.
Bro, I'm gonna call
Her
back.
favorite cousin. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today we're just gonna be talking about, just a little bit about how it was whenever we were younger, going to Mexico, and just about our life. Fueron a comer or what?
No, my dad brought barbacoa in the mañana. That was in the morning, dude. What the hell?
That's actually the one thing that I miss from Mexico. It's the barbacoa, like the real barbacoa. Because the barbacoa that you get here at these carnicerias and stuff, it's not the real deal.
Dude, la del pozo, right? Like cuando la hacen ahí en el pozo, it's so good.
No,
And the menudo.
and then they're like, can I have, because we used to work at a barbacoa place, right? Avi and I, right? And people would go and be like, can I have a pound of barbecue?
And you're like, bro, go to Bill Miller.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Ruby, this salsa is so good.
Really? Thank you.
I'm scared to try it.
Try it. It's not even that spicy.
It's like the perfect spicy.
¿Cómo se llama este?
Pulled pork sandwich.
I'm having a pulled pork sandwich with some fries.
I'm having a chicken sandwich with
Crispy chicken sandwich.
crispy chicken sandwich, sorry. With
Don't make it
onions,
twisted, it's
pickles,
fried.
coleslaw, and Louisiana sauce.
Potatoes, tomato,
So good. We decided to eat Bill Miller's because it's a San Antonio thing. So if you're ever in the area, I think Corpus, Seguin, and San Antonio has it. So make sure to stop by.
for Bill Miller.
No, I don't. But it's one of my favorite places to eat, and Addie works there too. So
I'm eating a pulled pork taco, and I'm about to put some salsa in
Desde harina. When you would say que era de tacos así, I thought they were like corn.
You can get corn, I think.
Yeah, no, but I didn't think like de harina. That's kind of weird. And
I'm
I'm eating. Excuse me. And you're sweating too.
yeah.
It's hot, man.
The salsa is spicy.
No.
I'm sorry.
So what do you guys miss most about Mexico?
I miss all our family like being together. Like, ¿se acuerdan whenever era Christmas
Yeah,
or like
like
New
so.
Year's? Like we were always together. Like we would get ready. Remember, like nos metíamos a bañar, wear our heels y todo, just to be there, like this.
Just to be in the window like this.
They would never let us go out. But we would still get ready, like just to be out there. Dude, ¿se acuerdan cuando estábamos ahí, like, nos salíamos ahí en la puerta y luego, like, a veces andaba su hermano Jabo, like, telling us to get inside, like, we couldn't even be right there, like, out there, like, just, like, looking out.
They're always looking after us.
Métanse para adentro, muchachillas. ¿Qué andan haciendo aquí? We're like,
O mi tío Juan cuando decía, like, ¿qué andan pescando? Andan, or something like that, ¿no se acuerdan?
We're like, oh, you're pescados. Well, I miss that. Oh, we should go to Mexico together, like your family and our family. Going together. Every December we would be at Mexico.
Every December, it was like waiting for my uncle Ruby's dad to come with the family and stop in San Antonio so we get our stuff ready. like a week before. And then we drive together to Laredo and then to Monterrey and until we finally made it. And it was like the coolest thing, honestly, to like just be with your cousins and like catch up and then get there. Sometimes we would get there like the day before Christmas Eve. So it was really nice to see everybody. I think that's what I miss the most, like just everybody going, because now everybody's grown, everybody's married, they want to go with their other families. Fine.
I feel like Juan Gabriel today. ¿Cuál es una canción que cantaba Juan Gabriel? Así como,
Ponla, güey, ponla.
Vamos al no. You know who I think like why did he have to die? Yes,
Valentine.
Valentín Elizalde. He's my love.
I still listen to him, and I know I'm so happy. Like,
Sigue ladrando los perros.
Dude, me acuerdo que mi tía Pupi, she was on love with him. Do you
Really?
remember? Yes,
No.
yeah, don't
I
remember.
remember she used to love pesado.
Yeah, pesado. Yo
But no, Valentín. I mean, he's mine. Why would she?
How dare she?
How dare she?
He was so handsome.
Yeah,
His
he's
boys,
so
like, he had a cute ass boys, Dude, ¿te acuerdas cuando we had drank all those,
Dude, I was talking about that.
What?
It was just you and me, right?
The
You
what?
and I together. Una vez ahí en mi tía Pupi's, I don't know when it was, but I don't know, where were you? You were always with us.
Yeah, she wasn't that
But
high.
this is the you were being a good girl.
I'm still a good girl.
No, y luego estábamos ahí adentro with mi tía in her room, right? And I don't know what the, but how did we get those Smirnoffs? Or those Caribes? How did we get a hold of them? There was a lot of them. No sé si
Dude, literally, there's probably like 10 or 11 that we drank. ¿No te acuerdas de cada uno?
Dang, dude. Well, I don't know where we got them from, but they were in there. Dude, so nos empezamos a tomar las mendigas Caribes. And we were like, no, dude.
Se creen que no del Caribe.
Estaba frío, ¿sabes? So we were just there drinking up. Dude, so empezamos a agarrar las botellas empty. Dude, ahí en el rompero de mi tía Pupi. No tenía una maid que limpió that. Maybe that's why, right? Maybe that's why.
I don't know. True. No, yo creo que no le limpiaba mi amor. We hid all the bottles in there, I remember.
All of them gone, y luego we were like drunk and we were just like laughing.
Dude, y luego te acuerdas cuando llegamos al carro y que nos bajamos y tú te caíste in the middle of the street.
Oh, yeah, one time we went cruising with
Pero esa vez no fue. That's another time.
that time was with New Mix.
Con mi tía Palmira.
Ajá.
Hey,
Shout out to Tía Palmira.
Hi, Tía Palmira.
Did y'all hear what she said? Is it New Mix? No, it's not.
But when you drink it quick, bro, okay, never mind. Este güey se lo tomó como que era un shot. Like, it's like,
Pero it was
okay.
New Mix.
No.
Una wine cooler.
En
No,
el
sí,
summer o cuando era en December, yo compré la, like, the freaking, like, así como venden las cocas, bueno, pues así venden de New Mix.
Oh, like a big
Sí,
bottle?
y esta Lucía me dio como un vaso, como un little sippy cup, así, güey. Y, like, yo me lo estaba tomando, and, like, I finished, like, the whole thing, and I was, like, chilling.
Lechita.
Hey, los Numex are good though.
Yeah.
En la Motillo, ¿te acuerdas que andábamos en la Motillo?
Dude, no manches. If we would have gotten caught that one time. Damn.
I know.
Would have been.
¿Pero
no
qué
sé.
era? ¿Qué pasó?
Nos fuimos con Ale. Ale. Hi, Ale. Hola, Ale. Saludos a Ale. Dude, so nos fuimos al mendigo Andy, güey.
Llevamos al rancho. Dude, y luego andábamos con tacones, remember? Like those
Taconcillos así.
tacones así. Yo me acuerdo lo que traía, ¿no? No details. Dude, no, me acuerdo que traía unos pantalones, no, unos capris. ¿Te acuerdas cuando nos usábamos capris? Dude, blancos. Oh my god, y luego como una little halter así shirt. Como con polka dots. Oh my god, dude. I thought I looked so good. Me acuerdo cuando íbamos en la motivo. No sé qué tú traías, ¿no te
No me
acuerdas?
acuerdo que tenía, pero I think it was a little así chanclilla. Pero they were
With a skirt.
No me acuerdo. Pero total que íbamos bien campantes con estacionarle en la motillo, en la moto, en la motoneta.
Dude, ya habíamos salido. ¿Te acuerdas del carro? Ya íbamos allá, like,
Sí, llegamos,
towards the rancho.
pero no llegamos al rancho, sí.
I think
like,
y'all said y'all got there, but y'all had to pass because a
No.
truck was coming that
Espérate.
looked like somebody
So íbamos y luego de repente alguien, they were like, ¿qué pasa? Es que viene mi tío Memo, ahí viene. Dude, no, dude, we were like,
se querían aventar en los nopales.
pues corrimos allí en sacarte y lo estaban cerca de esa. I was gonna jump it over. And he's like, no, es no está
You're like,
dude, it was so, like, you know, back then, Daddy would be like, ¿a dónde llevaron? O así, you know, when he would see us.
No,
like,
we probably would have gone like in so much trouble.
Yeah.
Si nos
Like,
hubiera visto.
our parents were so like afraid of us talking to guys that even the curtains, if they were a little bit like see-through, they were like change them. We want them like so people won't be able to look into the living room. It was really bad. It was really bad.
It was horrible.
And I don't know why, because we were really good girls. Like we really behaved.
We were, but we wanted to be wild, I remember.
We wanted to be out there cruising.
Yeah, with cowboy hats, like you know, straw cowboy hats. Remember?
Me acuerdo que como andábamos cruising a pata, right? Like we'd be walking, y que una vez vimos a unas girls en una nice, como top,
Escalade.
Así pasó, we were like,
Queremos sombreros de paja.
sí, we wanted to be like them. And I was like,
Big old long blonde hair, ¿se acuerdan? Like,
Como high
y luego las little shirts, like he tried the nice little
And we were all-
like,
we were all like dumb little things. So entonces las vimos and we were like, we want to be just like them. Pero pues obviamente we weren't even gonna be
yeah.
nothing.
First of
like
all, we were dark. Except Ruby.
them. We were like a Macedonia de vez en cuando. We were like, oh, yeah, over here.
Hey, no, ¿se acuerdan cuando? Wait, I don't think you were with us, pero en la plaza de toros que andaban esos huerquillas bailando. we wanted to dance like them, ¿te acuerdas? And we made, like, we would even practice a little dance.
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna do feel right.
Mm-hmm.
And we were like, así lo vamos a hacer cuando vayamos a los bailes.
We even practiced, we
never
literally
went.
practiced.
We never went to the baile. Espérate, talking about Ali's story again. So entonces ya, so según no era, right? I don't know, did we go all the way to Rancho algo?
I think como que
No,
ya
no,
no
no,
llegamos, ¿no?
I think que después de que se asustaron, ya dijeron vámonos hasta la casa.
Yeah, I remember. No, y luego se le ponchó.
Espérate, sí, pues llegando en el terror y se ponchó la mendiga llanta. So we had to like push the moto in our cute outfits.
Dude, pero como que mi tío no sabía, remember?
No, he got mad.
Sorry, tío, disculpe.
20 años después, discúlpenos.
Disculpe que le ponchamos la llanta de la motoneta.
Sí.
Oh, it happened.
Hey, but she's been in a lot of accidents, though, like.
Bitch, you better put that shit.
Pero se acuerdan la vez de when she stole your shit?
I know, no, but remember when Ruby told her off? Where the fuck is my pink blue jean jacket?
¡Esa es mía!
No me acuerdo, pero sí me acuerdo that I was like so mad, dude, porque ¿qué pasó? Like, I think I had opened her valise y ahí tenía like all my stuff.
1, 2, 3, exposing time. Okay, ready? Wait. Look this way! Remember she looked Okay,
No,
ready?
es que she's gonna go like that. And I wanna.
1, 2, 3. Espérate, volteate. 1, 2, 3.
Así era.
Exposing time. We got the monster mash. 1, 2, 3. Exposing time. No manches, we can't do this shit.
No, that was one time. Habíamos ido en Camita Rosa. And iba con Germán. And it was really late, so when we were coming back, this man started like walking back of us, like calling us. And I was like, I was saying because I was with Germán. And then Germán was like, bye bitch. Like, he started running. And I was like,
You horrible.
yeah, Germán. Sorry, I had to expose you. No, but I just kept walking because he wasn't like chasing us, but he was like, I don't even remember what he was saying, but he was calling me or us, I don't remember. Then Germán ran.
¿Pero qué decía? Oye.
Ay, no me acuerdo,
Chica.
like, hey,
Oh, what?
I don't, dude, honestly, no sé, mamacita.
Nani.
So Herman left.
But he didn't say like, habíamos
No, dude, he just started running. So I just kind of started walking fast. And when I got home, I was like, Germán me dejó. Because they were like, ¿dónde está Abby? So when I got there, they're like, ¿qué pasó? And I was like, Germán me dejó. Like, this man was chasing us and he just ran off. Dude, so I felt bad because they did get mad at Germán. They were like, you can't be leaving her.
Y de por sí ya me da miedo, like, siempre he tenido miedo, like, whenever we go to Mexico. Excuse me. And, yo me acuerdo que, like, estaba bien frío esa noche, and then I, like, started hearing, like, así como los perros ladrando, and then, like, you can hear como el llorido, like, se iba, y luego, like, it would come back closer, se iba, y luego it would come back closer, and I was like, what the f***? Dude, y luego quería despertar a esta Natalie, because she probably wasn't even
I was
asleep.
there with you.
¿No te acuerdas in the next room? Your parents también, mis tíos ya estaban dormidos.
También cuando se duerme, she's like...
No, estaba dormida.
Yo creo sí.
Yeah, I remember how I was like, oh, he's
Oh, that you were like, I wanted to wake you up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I remember que Iván se despertó too because he heard it and he's like, Mom, like, what's that? And I'm like, oh my God.
It's the wind.
Yeah. No, pues se oían todos los perros, like, ladrando, like, really loud. Y luego, like, you can clearly hear the llorido, like, I heard it. I was like, dude, ¿qué voy a hacer? Like, oh my God. So I called Javier and I woke him up. I called him 2 times hasta que contestó and I was like, dude, like, I heard the Llorona. And he's like,
he was
what?
here, ¿verdad?
Yeah, he's like, you're probably like, you know, like, dreaming or
You're
whatever.
Are you drunk?
And he's like, a lo mejor es alguien, you know, like, que alguien más se murió and like they're crying. I was like, yes, dude, like, but I think Noel heard it too. I think Noel. Like,
I think he said he heard it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo no me podía dormir.
¿Te acuerdas de la vez que we were in the carro yo and we went cruising? ¿En qué? A ver.
Déjame ver si es.
A ver si es.
That's the story. Que andamos en la Venecilla todas con esta, ¿cómo se llama?
¿Con
Carolina.
Carolina. Llegó güero. And he was like,
¿Qué
no,
decíamos
about it? No, and we're like, run him over. Hey, ¿te acuerdas la vez cuando íbamos caminando and we're like, act serious, y lo freaking...
Homegirl was like,
She was like,
I know.
She started singing like so loud and we were
Okay,
like,
she thinks she could dance.
we were like,
She thinks she could like sing and turn. The one time that you left, remember they like, oh no, like my dad.
Oh, yeah.
So I stayed there, bro, like it was really late. Like I wanted to go to sleep already, and bro, like she was like in the table, like singing, bro, and I was just like, I wanted to laugh so hard.
She was Jenny. Ya me grabé los cartones.
No,
te
canta.
montones.
Canta como la de la flor, como...
Y nosotros tratando la de Yankee de la de gasolina. We're all dancing like. Ay, si era más falta que salga Paquita la rapera. I was like, oh my God. That was funny. Paquita la rapera. What's up with this thing que tiene aquí? Oh my God.
we already finished ours.
Oh shit, no.
¡Gallinero!
Las manos hacia arriba. Las manos hacia abajo. ¿Y cómo los golpeaban? Todo el mundo te queda. Ay,
A ver,
ponte la.
Yo sí me la
Tú
pongo.
póntela. Girl, you're looking cute with this new. Oh my God. Por la nariz. Así con una nariz te voy a ver. Let me pierce you. You need to go down.
What are we gonna feel like that? Cada quien con una máscara de chango.
Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know we enjoyed it. I know I did, at least.
We
No,
sure
it's
did,
good.
thinking about our childhood memories.
Yeah, it was
Craziness.
so much fun.
There's a lot more.
Every time we're
There's a lot more
together,
coming.
every time we're together, it's so much fun. So, if you guys want to see more of us, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video.
Alright guys, well, bye. What is this?
But we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Now we need to take a picture.